yesterday. Love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe yesterday. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong. Now I know for yesterday, love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday.
Ito mga
Unfair!
Iya kakanta ka?
When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When the great eyed
Kuya, nalagay ko to sa YouTube tang.
and made me smile.
Kasi kasali magmakuha. Pati ikaw kakanta nga to.
It's happy times, and that's so long ago. How I wondered where they'd gone, but they're back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I love so well, every sha-la-la-la, every whoa, still shines. Every shingling that are starting to seem so fine. But they get to the one where it's very hard. It can really make me cry
Ano yung minor oh?
like before. It's yesterday, it was looking back on now, it was a years gone by, and the good times that I had make today seems rather sad. So much has changed. It was songs of love that I would sing to them, and I memorize its words. Those old melodies still sound so good to me as I melt the years away. Every sha-la-la-la, everyone
Di ba paborito niyo yun?
still shines.